Moving further, methods of purchase requisition creation. One is the direct method. Second is the indirect method. Direct method, we can also call it one manual method. Manual method. We will directly go to where? We will directly go to ER creation. We will mention the material. Second thing, its quantities like this. After maintaining everything, the material and quantity and the date of delivery, if any, we can create one purchase requisition. But maximum time or many times, purchase requisition will be created indirectly. How indirectly? We in the production planning department, what they do? They do the planning for the procurement or for the production on the basis of consumption based planning. Do you see? If we are doing one business and it is the month of November 2023, so it is obvious in the month of October, in the month of September, in the month of August, in the month of July, we consume raw materials. So here in October, we consume 1000 items. In September, 800. In August, 1200. Like this, on an average, 1000 quantities of the raw materials we consumed in the past 3 months. On the basis of that, it is very certain in the month of November, around 1000 quantities of raw materials we are going to consume. In the month of December, obviously the same data, around 1000. So one thing is very sure, on the basis of consumed data, we can do the planning for the future, and we can do one thing. One purchase requisition can be set to create in the month of December on 1st of 12th of 2020. For how many quantities? Very simple, 1000 quantities. Okay. Through maintenance orders, through production orders, through networks. So these things are not discussed completely here in this training of SAP MM, but one topic can be discussed, consumption based plan. And this is not now because it is the topic from MM and PP integration. Structure. A purchase requisition consists of a number of item categories. Now, what is this item categories? See, if you look at the business, what is the business? Business of manufacturing. So when we are doing the manufacturing, we need something. We need the raw materials. We need the external services. So there are few things which can be procured through the standard business process. Standard business process. But there are other category also, special category we call them. Special category. Sometimes I do call it actually exception. So when there is any exception kind of thing, so we will procure the goods or procure the external services or anything else through the exceptional way. So that we can procure as standard. So there is one standard item category as per the specialty. So subcontracting as per the second specialty, consignment, stock transfer, external services. So this is the second, third, fourth, fifth. Now I'm telling to all of you one thing. Now I will move further in this class for this item category, and other item categories will be taken later on. Number first thing for any purchase requisition is the creation of number range. We have also created master data for two things, material and vendor. Both of the time we created number range. So we are all aware about the number range. That can be one internal, that can be one external. After that, document type. So document type, purchasing document type is the controlling key, which controls number first thing, item categories. What it controls? Item categories. And I hope everyone is aware about item categories now. Item categories. Number second, it controls what? It controls number rings. Number third, it controls field selection key. I will show you everything on the HANA server. So don't worry, I'm taking you there. There are many document types. NB is the standard purchase requisition. FO is the framework kind of requisition. RV is the outline agreement requisition. Yeah, screen layout. Screen layout. So any purchasing document is made up of a number of data screens. These screens are made up of a number of fields, a number of fields available. Out of those fields, F1, F2, F3, F4, etc. There are many fields. So which field we need as required or mandatory? Second, optional. Third, display only. So we can control that thing through one field selection key. If standard purchasing requisition document type is NB, then the standard field selection key for that will be NBB. So like this, we can control the number of fields. Okay, moving downside. These are the T codes to use as an end user. ME51 to create one purchase requisition, 52 to edit, 53 to display, 54 to release, 50 OLME directly go to purchasing, ME58 to display or list of purchase requisitions. So from here we are moving to the configuration part. Configuration means to set something. To set something for purchasing document. So first I'm going to set something for purchase requisition. What to set? Set one document type, set the number range, set the field selection key, assignment. Creation is the one part, assignment is the second part. After configuration, who configure the things? SAP consultant. Now, as an end user, what to do? As an end user, okay. Now do one thing. Go to HANA server. Go to SPR. SAP reference IMG. Go to materials management. Downside. Then go to purchasing. In purchasing, go to purchase requisition. Now do one thing. Here we have a number of data objects such as document types, release procedure, define screen layout at document level, Then define tolerance limits for archiving, define number rings. So one by one, we will define everything. First, define the screen share. So standard, for the standard purchase requisition, I told you NBP. So do one thing, copy it and change the name of it. ZANPB. Now go inside of that basic data. In basic data, we have plant as the required, that is okay. Item category optional, good. Storage location, that is okay, no problem. Purchasing group mandatory. Material group mandatory. Go back. As per the requirement, we can do one thing. We can make a number of fields as optional, required or display. Order unit purchasing, that is optional, that is okay. Unit of measure required, variable frame. Deadline monitoring, requisition date, delivery date, release date, start date for services, display only, end date for services, display, or do one thing, not display but optional. Maybe later on we need these features. So without modifying anything, try to understand that thing completely. Now I have copied that field selection key from one standard field selection key for the purchase requisition. I modified the fields and its requirements, and now I'm saving that customized field selection key. Moving further, I'm going to define number names. So what is the meaning of first one? To display the number names which are available. What is the meaning of NR status? To check the status of the number names. 1 is created, that number name 01, starting from 1, 7 times 0 to 1, 3 times 0, 1100, and out of that only 29 numbers have been utilized. So here we can check the status. Now to create, we have to click here. Yes. So do one thing, go to interval, intervals, enter. No free intervals found. One more time, go to intervals, enter. No free intervals are found. So what to do? Go downside. Now look at the creators of the number range. This one. Delete that number range. You know why? Because no numbers have been utilized. If no number have been utilized, so we can do one. We can edit that data. One. Now that is okay. Now look at this one. That can be deleted. No problem. H1 cannot be deleted. This is how we can edit the number range, and we can free the number range, because many consultants are doing their work very only. They are just creating the customized data objects without even thinking, like this. Look at this one. Yeah, this is the way to free the number range. Once we do that, and again go to intervals, again click on interval, then click on the intervals. Okay, enter. So any number range we can select. So 23. I'm not taking that number range up to this, but I will utilize my number range very ethically. So very simply, I can take up to 100. Again, one more time. No free intervals. Okay, no problem. Again, one time. Data has been stuck somewhere in the cache. So save. After saving, go back, come back, interval. Again, free intervals. Enter. First one. Yes. Go to 24 and edit this also. 400,003 up to 300 and make this number external. So one number range I created external, second number range I created internal. Now do one thing, go back side. Now go to define document types. So go to NB. After selecting NB, go to copy as, change the type ZA and B. Change the description also. Why to change? So that we can recognize it. So ZA purchase requisition. Very simple. Change the internal number range. Internal number range. So I created 23rd. External number range. We can take 24th. Field selection key can be taken as Z, A and BB. Z, A and BB. Find it. Okay. Apply. Copy all. After copying all the data objects, number of dependent entries copied around 491. Yes. Now selecting Z, A and B and go to allowed item category. See. These are the item categories which are assigned to that document type. So that is the first significance. Second, number ranges are assigned to the same document type. Third, field selection key is also assigned to the same document type. Save this information. Now go back side. What is the meaning of this? Define tolerance limit for archiving. Now see. this. Go backside. So like basic configuration we have made the number range, the screen layout, and the document type itself. Now we can utilize